So yeah, I'm back again with another video. These are my broilers. They actually 4 weeks old. Check them out. See, and then we use this for 2 weeks. You see what I'm at here? This is antibiotics. So you put this in the water here, and this could sustain them to a couple, like up to 2 weeks. So if you want to get them for the first 2 weeks, yeah, you can give them antibiotics. So this can help them from, because these birds are very sensitive. Yeah. So these are my broilers. I'll be back with another video soon. I got some layers. I got 36 layers. Yeah, they start laying, and I just gotta make you guys a video. So if you want to see a video with the layers, hit the subscribe button, like it up, comment, and share. Peace.